Good morning, everyone. I hope everyone's having an excellent morning. If you can't tell by the weather outside, it is... Yep, you said it. I think I heard someone say it. It's raining. It is definitely raining a lot. Can you guys join me in putting your hands and making them into raindrops? That's not a good rain one. You can also, sometimes when you snap, I know snapping is kind of difficult, but when you snap, that kind of sounds like raindrops. Or when you use your hands on your thighs to do a pat, that kind of sounds like rain too. I did watch some cool videos about like how to start making a rainstorm, but I want to try it when we get back to Storytime in person because apparently it needs a lot of people. But you start by going like this, because that's like that sound of like the rain's about to get started. It's just starting to hit the sidewalks. And then you start to do your hands like this. So it sounds cooler with a lot of people because then you get all those different drop sounds. And then you move to, that's what it sounds like when all of those big fat drops are shooting down and hitting the pavement. And then it ends with a jumping up and down to make that boom, thundery noise. Although I will say a lot of the videos I watched had people doing it on risers, which if you haven't seen those before, that's what makes the choirs stand taller, and so you can see over each other's heads. But those and bleachers also do that too, which is where you sit and you watch football games or any type of game in a stadium. Those make a really good boom sound when you jump on them. Not quite the same as jumping on your floor, but it's still a pretty good effect. So if you want to make a personal rainstorm, if you've got a couple of different people in your house, you can start with your hands going like this. Then you can turn them into drops. Then you can turn them into the pattering rain. Well, that's my mini how to make a rainstorm lesson. But let's get started with a story time today, and we're going to talk about rain. I've got a book that celebrates the rain, and then I've got a song that is over it, done with the rain. So hopefully putting both of those two together will make everyone happy. So the people who love the rain will be excited, and the people who are ready for the rain to go away, they will like that song as well. All right, so I love to start story time with a really big hello. Can you move your hand in a half circle with me? Ooh, you guys, that looks amazing. Oh, I love that. Cool. So then I love to do my half circle and say hello at the same time. Let's say hello to everyone. So it goes kind of like this. Hello, everyone. Good job, everyone. Okay, let's give it another practice all together. Let's count to 2 and then we'll do it. 1, 2, hello, everyone. You guys, that was great. And then after we say hello to everyone, which we've all done together, let's say hello to our special Storytime guest. His name is Morris the monkey. He's so cute, but he loves being said hello to. So he's in our magical red library bag, and if we say a really loud, really good hello, Morris, I think we can get him to come out of the bag. All right, let's do it all together on 3 this time. 1, 2, 3. Hello, Morris. Oh, I hear him. Oh, he's excited. Okay, Morris, are you ready for the day today? Okay, he's moving around. He's having some trouble this morning. There he is. It's Morris the monkey. Hi, Morris. Oh, he said that rain was making him extra sleepy this morning, so it took him a while to get up, but he's ready. All right, so we've already said hello, Morris. What do we do next to get ready for story time? Oh, he's right. We've got to sing our story time song. All right, our story time song needs 2 things to make it extra super special. And the first one is to clap our hands. Can you join us in clapping your hands? It goes like this. Clap, 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 clap. Should we do a couple more? Okay. Clap, clap. Perfect. Great demoing, Morris. You look great today. Oh, he said thank you. All right. So after we do clapping, then what do? You got it. We've got to pat our legs. Well, Morris is going to show you what that looks like because you can't really see my legs because they're not in the shot. So we're going to go pat, 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 pat. Great job, Morris. Okay, so that's what we are. Two things. We go pat, we go clap, and that is our Storytime song, right? Where's this? No, we gotta mix them all together. What? This sounds like so much fun. I'm so excited. We have to mix our pats and our claps. All right, let's do it. Let's mix them together. Mix, 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 mix. Can you mix them high? Can you mix them low? Can you mix them out to the sides? Make sure they're really, really mixed up. I hit the wall. Oh, I think they're good and mixed. Okay, so here's what our pats and claps look like when we've got them all mixed up. We go pat, clap, pat, clap. Ooh, that gave me a little bit of a shiver. All right, so we're gonna do our Storytime song just like that. We'll start with 3 pat claps, and then we'll do a 1, 2, ready, go, and we'll do the Storytime song. Let's go, Morris. Pat, clap, pat, clap, pat, clap. 1, 2, ready, go. Story time, story time. Come and share a story time. Look at books, listen well to the stories we will tell. Great job, everyone. All right, Morris, that was excellent. Can you show us those 2 moves in the middle? Okay, in the middle, we put our hands out in front of us like we've got a big open book. And then we put our hands behind our ears to show that we're listening well. You might hear my dogs in the background. I think someone is walking on the street. They're getting too close to our house, so they've got to growl. But don't pay any attention to them. We're going to keep going with story time. All right, let's do our song again. Pat, clap, pat, clap, pat, clap. 1, 2, ready, go. Story time, story time. Come and share a story time. Look at books, listen well to the stories we will tell. Great job, Morris. Thank you so much. All right, let's get, oh, Morris is gonna grab the book for me. That's really nice today, Morris. All right, thanks, Morris. Morris is gonna go back into the magical red library bag. Cool. All right, so our book today is called Singin' in the Rain. So that was something I forgot to mention earlier. We're singing our book today. Here's our early literacy tip if you're keeping track of them. Singing is a great way to spend time with your kids. Not only does singing break down words a little bit better so your kids can listen to them and your kiddo can kind of understand what syllables are and how they break apart, but it's just a great way to share some time. Lots of books, there are a bunch of books out there that can be sung that you don't think can be. A lot of them are just books that have been, or songs that have been put to books. But there are other books like Wiggle by Doreen, is it Doreen? I think it's Doreen Cronin. That one can be sung to Do Your Ears Hang Low? Don't know if you knew that one. But singing a book can be a great way to make something fresh, make something new, and then also kids don't really care what you sound like. They just want to have fun with you. So I'm not the best singer. I'm a pretty okay singer. But, so sorry if you don't like my voice and you've been subjected to it. But we're gonna sing this one, and kids don't care what you sound like. They don't care if you're in tune, out of tune. They just know that you're all having fun together. So we're gonna sing Singin' in the Rain. It's based on the song by Arthur Freed and Nasio Herb Brown. And then the pictures are by Tim Hapgood. Ooh, we've got our raindrops. Singin' in the Rain. Maybe I like to start kind of like the movie. How about we do some doodle-doo-dudes? Do-do-do-do, do-do-do-do-do, do-do-do-do-do-do, do-do-do-do-do-do. I'm singing in the rain, just singing in the rain. What a glorious feeling. I'm happy again. I'm laughing at clouds so dark up above. The sun's in my heart and I'm ready for love. I also love, can you guys see what colors are all of our kids wearing in our picture? That's right, they're wearing all of them. We've got red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. We've got the Roy G. Biv happening, all the colors of the rainbow. Let the stormy clouds chase everyone from the place. Come on with the rain, I've a smile on my face. Can you guys show me a great big smile? Love it. I walk down the lane with a happy refrain, and I'm singing, just singing in the rain. I'm singing in the rain, just singing in the rain. Oh, look, looks like we're having a Mary Poppins moment. We're going flying through the crowd with our umbrellas. What a glorious feeling. I'm happy again. I'm laughing at clouds so dark up above. The sun's in my heart and I'm ready for love. Where have they been transported to? Yeah, I think I heard it. The jungle. Oh my gosh. We've got some monkeys in the trees. We've got a sloth and a leopard. Let the stormy clouds chase everyone from the place. Come on with the rain, I've a smile on my face. Can we do a big smile again? Oh, great. I walk down the lane with a happy refrain, and I'm singing, just singing in the rain. The end. All right, well, I hope you guys enjoyed our rain book. Can we clap for that? This song always makes me so happy, and I love the idea of everyone splashing around in the puddles and singing in the rain when it's one of those things that kind of makes you feel gloomy and grumpy, but it's great to go out and splash in the puddles and have a good time. So if you do some puddle splashing, maybe sing this song and think about all these cool pictures while you're out there. All right, I think I'm gonna leave this book here. And we're going to sing our song. That's for the people who are ready for the rain to go away. So we need, we're gonna do 2 different movements for this song, as well as point to some body parts. So the first movement we're gonna do is raining, and then we're gonna go like this. So I'll just get started and you guys can follow along. The song stays pretty much the same, except for, excuse me, in the middle we change our body parts. So let's do it. All right. Oh, it ain't gonna rain no more, no more. It ain't gonna rain no more. And oh no, it's up to my toe. But it ain't gonna rain no more. Oh, it ain't gonna rain no more, no more. It ain't gonna rain no more. Oh, fiddle is up to my middle. Can everyone point to your bellies? But it ain't gonna rain no more. Oh, it ain't gonna rain no more, no more. It ain't gonna rain no more. Oh, heck, it's up to my neck, but it ain't gonna rain no more. It ain't gonna rain no more, no more. It ain't gonna rain no more. Oh, dread, it's up to my head. I better just swim on home. All right, so then you get to do some swimming. I forgot to tell you that part. Swimming. All right, let's do it one more time. It's pretty simple. It's pretty short and sweet. So let's do it one more time. Oh, it ain't gonna rain no more, no more. It ain't gonna rain no more. Oh no, it's up to my toe, but it ain't gonna rain no more. It ain't gonna rain no more, no more. It ain't gonna rain no more. Oh, fiddle. Oh, let's do knees. Oh, gee. It's up to my knee, but it ain't gonna rain no more. Oh, it ain't gonna rain no more, no more. It ain't gonna rain no more. fiddle, it's up to my middle. Can we all point to our middles and our tummies? But it ain't gonna rain no more. Oh, it ain't gonna rain no more, no more. It ain't gonna rain no more. Oh, heck, it's up to my neck. But it ain't gonna rain no more. Oh, it ain't gonna rain no more, no more. Oh, it ain't gonna rain no more. Oh, dread, it's up to my head. So I guess I'll swim on home. All right, so hopefully between the singing in the rain and being upset that it's raining and trying to get it to stop raining, that will appease all of our rain people. All right, I hope you guys had a great time doing story time with me today. Remember to get out there, sing, doesn't matter how you sound, everyone still loves to do it and have fun anyway. So let's get Morris back out to say goodbye on this rainy day. All right, bye everyone, have a great day. I hope everyone gets to splash in a puddle. Bye.